Oh, look at him, you guys.
So cool.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, ready? You let it go. Make a wish and let it go. What's your wish?
Oh yeah, you're supposed to make
Oh, Kylie, did you see them all up there?
Secret. Look at him.
Don't tell. Here we go.
Let it go.
Let it go. Let go of it. Look, don't tell. There it goes.
There it goes. Now behind you.
Did Isley get to help Mike on one of them?
Where did you get these?
I bought them online on Amazon. Like 2 years ago. I've had them in my...
Are you serious?
I've had them in my... Oh my gosh, that one is going to catch fire.
It's all moving, huh?
Oh!
Well, yeah, but not for long.
You guys, that one is going to catch fire.
Down, you got to go down.
There it goes, Brandon.
You guys, you want to make sure you hold them because look, if you don't hold them, they are twirling all over and they're going to catch fire. So hold it longer. We're not holding it long enough. Hey, Mike, did Isley get to help one?
Here, Susan, you guys can do another one.
Here, let Isley help on one because...
Hey, Isley.
Isley, come here, sweetie.
I've pulled that for a long time. I think there's stuff inside of that.
Yeah, look, they look like stars.
Yeah, don't step on them.
Isley, come over here.
Who wants to do one? Isley, come here.
Isley, come here.
Dolphin, come here.
Here, we'll help
Hey,
you.
let it go, guys. Let go of it.
I just want to stay.
You just